We're back at the World of Concrete 2021 here in the West Hall, and I have Justin with me. Thanks for your time, brother.
No problem.
We're at the ReadyJet booth, and Justin's going to be here talking with us about this piece of washout machinery. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yep, so this is the ReadyJet G3. It's a high-powered water blaster that cuts concrete and cleans the inside of ready-mix drums. It's the only one in the world that does what it does. The way that it works is powered by a 350 horsepower diesel engine that's hooked up to a 20,000 psi Jetstream water pump. All that power comes out of a 2mm nozzle that's at the end of this boom. What you're going to do is you're going to insert this boom into the drum. The end of the boom is called the torpedo. It kicks up at 60 degrees and rests directly on the top of the fins of the ready-mix trucks. When it does that, that nozzle will be oscillating back and forth at 168 degrees and cuts about 8 to 10 inches of concrete at a time. All of that is remote controlled, so you don't have to put a man inside of the drum anymore. It's 2021. Everything else in the world is cleaned with water.
Right.
Why aren't ready-mix trucks?
Right.
This is the control right here. You can control the boom going up and down, in and out, the torpedo going up and down, your speed of retraction and your speed of your oscillation of the nozzle. If you want to, we could walk around. I could show you the pump over here. So we have a 225-gallon reservoir tank. This is here just in case, the water pressure drops while you're cleaning a ready-mix truck. And that way the machine can continue to operate until the pressure from the plant comes back. We also sell a hand lance assembly with it that will be used to clean the outside of the hopper, the outside of the drum. If you change the nozzle and tip and really want to, you could even strip paint and repaint your drums.
Oh wow, okay. Multi-use. I will say, just like everything about this whole setup, it looks very accessible. I was about to say that and you kind of alluded to it. I mean,
yeah.
Have you had feedback about how easy it is to work on? I mean, it seems like you can really get to everything.
Absolutely. So when you first look at it, it's kind of like, oh my God, this monstrosity, da-da-da.
Yeah.
And when you break it down, it's really, engine, pump, computer system, remote control, and then the boom. And I mean, we're building it for people who aren't in the water blasting industry, and at this point it's a really robust machine, but we built it for people who aren't in the water blasting industry. We built it for people who are in the concrete industry, ready-mix industry, so that was a goal, to make sure that everything is very easy to work on when things do go wrong, because just like anything, things are going to go wrong no matter what.
Sure. Well, and what's your technical support for customers if and when things do go wrong and they need some support?
So, I mean, we really pride ourselves on being able to be there for our customers. We want the ReadyJet to be successful. We want our customers to be successful with the ReadyJet. They can call us whenever, at any time. Myself, Dan Spada, Scott Booz are all always available, and we'll do whatever we can to help. If it's not something we can take care of over the phone, Dan will literally hop on a plane, fly out there, and fix the problem for him and get it going.
Awesome. Now, do you guys have any estimation at all on how many man hours this piece of machinery might save somebody per truck or overall?
So it does a yard of concrete in an hour and 15 minutes or less. That's a typical buildup, a little bit in the head of the drum, a little bit in the belly, the rest on the back of the fins. Now, if you had something that was all built up into one area because your drum maybe broke while it was on the job or something like that, it may take a couple passes because the jet at the end of it only cuts about 8 to 10 inches of concrete at a time.
Okay.
So
very cool. For those of our listeners who are interested, where do they go to learn more about the ReadyJet product, or who do they contact to purchase one?
Yeah, you can contact me, Justin Valdes, at 813-918-6852. Or you can go to our website, blasters.inc/ReadyJet, and get some more information from there. But yeah, either way, there we go.
Awesome, man. Well, we certainly appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Awesome piece of equipment. We appreciate the availability and the opportunity to learn about it. And for everything else here at World of Concrete 2021, stay locked into the Add 10 Gallon social pages. That's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We'll be keeping that updated with all the innovative technologies and the cool stuff that we see while we're here at the show.